Chinkwala your window. Jugin tell Sino Afro. Hey my people, it's your boy Tree back again for today's tutorials, and I'm gonna teach you slowly until you get it. Welcome back everybody. It's been your boy Tree since last time. Back again today. And I'm gonna teach you some dance tutorials of today's dance fitness, and I hope you like it. Please follow along. And our first movement is gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After here, we're gonna pop our chest, boom, up to down here. And when you're here, you're going to the chorus part, and the chorus is gonna be cross leg and out. It's like this, boom, boom. Now let's do 5 with our hands. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, up. 3, 4, back down again. 5, 6, up. 7, 8. After here, we're still continuing on the chorus part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back again to the chorus. 1, 2, up, 3, 4, down, 5, 6, up, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then boom. That's a freestyle. Yeah. So after the freestyle, but you have to make sure that you do the best freestyle of yourself, like your favorite freestyle. Yeah. I want to see that. You freestyle, and after here we're gonna take it to the shoulder, the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The shoulders is 1, 8, 4 counts. And after that, we're going back to the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? We're still here. We're gonna pop our chest out. Boom. Down. We're taking that back to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, then freestyle. Freestyle. After the freestyle, we're gonna take it again to our shoulders. 5, 6 is the third part, the last part. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 4 times. 8 and 4 times. And after here, we're gonna take it to the top, but smoothly. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Then hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And after here, we're not going back to this. Yeah, we're just gonna continue from the top, which is, the very first step of the top part, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then boom. And we are done. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this tutorial. It's been your boy Tree, and you are most welcome. Anytime you feel like you want to learn some dance, it's always up here in our studios, Sino Afro Studios. You are most welcome. And thank you for following along. It's been a terrible time, yeah? I hope you enjoyed. But all I want to tell you is one thing. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscription. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. See you next time. God bless you.